two.
Let's go. Day 2 of 150.
With Lance. Lance is the one that helped me design the pool. I'll give you guys a quick run through of some cool things going on.
The massive beach entry that's the size of most swimming pools to the left of that bridge with bubblers on it. 15, 20 waterfalls. Incredible amount of plumbing on this project. The hydraulics are unlike anything we've done. The lazy river system's commercial grade. That'll be pushing an incredible amount of water around this and through this river system. Big Cabo shelf on the backside, a grotto. It's got it all, man.
15 or 20 water. I didn't even know that. That's cool. Lots of piping. Somebody told me a couple of years ago, they said, what is your dream backyard? And I explained to them this resort, the Grand Hyatt Resort in Hawaii. It's a massive resort. I said, I want to build that in my backyard. And nobody thought I'd ever do that. They thought that was a pipe dream. But look at it here. This is the largest pool ever built in California. It's 260,000 gallons. The top pool flows into the bottom pool with a lazy river, a huge grotto, swim up bar. It is amazing.